Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, your IT administrator has limited access in Windows 11 23H2 fix. First method is Open File Explorer. Open this PC, C drive, Windows, System 32 folder. Open Security Health folder, right-click Security Health Setup, click Run as Administrator. Second method is Open File Explorer. Open this PC, C drive, Windows, System 32 folder. Open Security Health folder, if Security Health Setup file is not available. Open any browser, copy URL from description and paste it. Download and extract the file. Right-click Run as Administrator. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.